In this series of videos, we'll cover how to add haptic feedback and vibration to your Unity mobile game using the Hapthicks asset available from the Asset Store via the link in the description. In this video specifically, I'll walk you through how to play haptics during an animation clip in Unity on your iOS and Android devices. Let's do it. I've made a simple animation for this red circle here. Let me go to play mode so you can see it. As you can see, we are moving this red circle object up and down using the animation we have here. To add a haptic feedback or vibration during this animation, let me first create a C# script. I want to call it My Animation Haptic. Now let's remove all this code since we don't need it. And let's add using haptics. First, let me create a text asset serialize field so we can use it to choose our .haptic file. And now, let's create a public method so anyone can call it, and name it PlayHaptic. Inside this method, we write hapthicksplayer.playHaptic, and we give it our haptic file variable as an argument so it knows what file to play. Let's go back to our Unity editor. Let me select my image game object. And let me attach the script we created to this game object. Now let me go to my sample haptics folder, and let me select my image game object again. And now I will drag and drop my smoothrise haptic file into this field. Awesome! Now we need to select our image game object and open the animation window. We can simply find and open it from the window menu right here in the top bar. Now you can see when I move this line, we move through the frames of our animation. I want to play the haptic at this frame 20, where our object reaches the top. So let's click on this Add Event button. And now from the inspector, we open this function drop-down menu. We go to My Animation Haptic, which is the name of our script, and then we select our public method. Great! Now whenever our animation reaches frame 20, it plays our haptic file, and you'll feel the vibration in your hand. I hope you can give fantastic feelings to your mobile games using haptics. See you later!